Do you guys want to know how you can make Benjamins like this every single day? Well guys, you probably don't, because this is all fake money I got from Amazon for $13. But anyways, all jokes aside guys, if you want to know 3 legitimate ways how you can make $100 in real cash every single day, you came to the right video, because I am not only going to be telling you, but also showing you how you can start 3 different side businesses that can make you over $100 per day as a teenager in 2021. The first way you can make an extra $100 bill on the daily is through a business by the name of sneaker reselling. For those of you who aren't aware, there is an entire market on the internet for reselling sneakers, as sometimes there is so much demand for certain hypey shoes that you can buy them at retail on the release date and sell them literally a day later for a huge profit. To get started with this business, all you have to do is pick up your phone and download the Sneakers app, Adidas Confirmed app, and finally you also want to be familiar with the website YeezySupply.com. Now I know this sounds like a lot, but literally every single day on at least one of these apps or websites, a different pair of hypey sneakers is going to drop, and it's your job to look up the sneakers value on this app by the name of StockX to see if it's reselling for more money than its retail price. As an example, today on the Sneakers app, a new pair of hypey sneakers by the name of the Nike SB Dunk Low Street Hawkers is dropping for a retail price of $110. Believe it or not, that same pair of shoes is actually reselling on StockX right now for anywhere between $650 all the way up to $850. So literally all I would have to do to secure an easy $500 profit is buy the shoe at retail and then resell it on StockX after I'm able to cop it. Of course, that's easier said than done. At the time I am recording this vlog clip right here, it is currently 6:45 a.m. so the sneaker isn't going to be dropping for another 2 hours, but if I'm able to cop it today while being in school, I have no idea what I'm going to do. I'll literally be so happy. And just like that, right before the clock struck 9 a.m. Central Time at my school, I left my creative writing class to go to the bathroom on a mission to cop myself a pair of Nike SB Dunk Lows. Unfortunately, despite being on the Sneakers app as soon as the shoes dropped, I wasn't able to complete my mission of copping them. A lot of times when you try to cop these hypey shoes at retail, pretty much everything is 100% luck based if you aren't using any kind of crazy sneaker bots. But if you were able to get lucky just 2 or 3 times per month and cop a pair of hypey sneakers, that's literally an extra $1,000 per month of income that you didn't have before. To give you guys another example of how this hypebeast reselling game works, literally in 9 minutes, these Yeezy Boost 700 Suns are going to be dropping for a retail price of $240, and they are literally reselling on StockX for anywhere between $350 and $400. So hopefully I am able to cop them, and wish me luck, guys. Unfortunately, guys, despite my tremendous efforts, I was not able to secure the pair of Yeezys, but honestly, it's a total numbers game. I guarantee if you go for the hypey shoes on every single one of their drops, eventually you'll find success, and that is where you'll make your money. So with that being said, guys, if you want to learn more about the sneaker reselling business, please be sure to click one of the cards up here. It'll have a video where I kind of go more in depth into things. And with that being said, let's get into the next way you can make money as a teenager. The second business I'm going to go ahead and get into in this video is the Honor Box vending machine business. But before I get into things on how to make money with that business and all that fun stuff, I want to go ahead and open this package right here because I'm 99.9% sure something awesome's inside. Guys, as you can see in this box, I have a few beautiful looking honor boxes I got from my friend Dominic over at Vending Solutions. Later on in this video, I'll be telling you guys how to get these honor boxes for a reasonable price, and I'll also be doing a giveaway for you guys who watch to the end of this segment. Anyways, guys, for those of you who aren't aware, honor box vending is one of the cheapest and arguably the most ROI friendly way to get into the vending machine business model. All you have to do to get started is go down to the top link below in the description, click the link, and boom, for $24.99, you get your first honor box to put in your first location, a flyer for your business, and finally a 30-minute how-to course for the honor box business, which basically tells you exactly how to get locations. The thing I really like about the honor box business for teenagers is it requires a very small investment to get started, as all you really need is an honor box and candy. From there, once you spend at most $40 to get that all set up, it is time to get your first first honor box location, which is actually pretty simple. Step number 1, aka the first thing you want to do to get locations for your honor box business, is by partnering your business with a charity. Donating 50% of the profits to a charity isn't only good for the world as a whole, but it will also help you make a lot more money because getting locations will become so much easier. Trust me guys, instead of pitching your services like this, oh man, is it okay if I put this random box in here? I'm trying to make some money. You can mention that all of your honor boxes support charity, and for the most part, if you're partnered with a charity that you truly believe in and can talk about a lot, it's kind of hard for a business owner to say no, because if they do, they feel kind of guilty. Of course guys, with the honor box business, you will still face a decent amount of rejection, just like with any other business, but at the end of the day, if you can get just 20 honor boxes collecting $33 per day in passive income, that's an extra $1,000 per month that you didn't have before, and after all candy and donation costs, that's $300 in your pocket. Once again guys, for those of you who want to get into the honor box business, I will have a link down below to my friend Dominic's website, vendingsolutions.com. On that website, you can get an honor box business starter pack for just under $25, or you can get 10 honor boxes for about $15 per box. If you guys do decide to buy anything from the website, please be sure to use code TheFinancialWolf for 10% off your order at checkout. With that shameless plug out of the way, I do also want to give this honor box right here to one lucky viewer who lives in the Milwaukee or Kenosha, Wisconsin area. I want to do a video where I help you get your honor box business set up and get your first location. So guys, if you live in the Milwaukee or Kenosha, Wisconsin area, please be sure to reach out to me on Instagram at TheFinancialWolf and we'll make it happen, baby. The third best way, not in order, to make money as a teenager is another business I have been doing for a very long time by the name of Apple product reselling. If you guys have been a long-time viewer of the channel, you know very well that Apple product reselling is an absolute great way to make money, as it's very easy to understand, and at most you need $500 to get started. First things first, to start your very own Apple product reselling empire, what you want to do is go ahead and create an account on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and even Letgo if you're feeling up to it. From there, once you've got your account set up on all of those platforms, you want to go ahead and post an ad on each and every single one of those apps saying that you pay cash for anyone's new, used, or cracked Apple product. After you post some ads on those platforms, people will start reaching out to you with their Apple products to sell, and once they do, you want to look up what the device is worth on eBay sold listings so you can offer the seller less for the device than what it is actually worth. To get a good idea of what the Apple product is worth, you want to ask the seller questions like what kind of Apple product it is, how many gigabytes the device has, and even what carrier belongs to, as a lot of times that'll affect the price. Of course, you also want to ask the seller for pictures of the Apple product to make sure that it's not broken, or to even make sure that the seller has it in stock, because when you're doing this business, a lot of times people will try to bamboozle you. Once you get a good idea of what the Apple product is worth, you want to offer the seller a fat 30 to 50% less for the device than what it is selling for on eBay sold listings, so you can go ahead and resell the device for a profit on eBay, Mercari, or even Facebook Marketplace. A lot of people you lowball won't say yes, but trust me guys, a good 5 to 10% of people will, and that is where you'll make your fat stacks. I have been reselling for about 3 years now, and since starting, I've probably done about $50,000 in revenue, and my best year was about $10,000 in profit in 2018. So if you guys want to start Apple product reselling, I strongly recommend it, as it's a great business to get into as a teenager. For those of you who want to learn more information about Apple product reselling, or really any of the other businesses I mentioned in this video, I'll be sure to link on the screen somewhere right here some other videos I've made that go more in depth on the topics. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I will see you guys on Friday with another one. Peace out.